So to here we're out on another little field thing, just a little half-hour chat on the with the club. We're going to be on 10 metres today, so 10 metres FM. So I thought we'll bring the van out, and as you can see, there's already a radio mast up here, and I'm parked there with the van and the aerial. We're using What's It 99, and right opposite a commercial two-way radio mast. So we're going to get going at 7:30, and we will see. We're just running on batteries. We've not got the generator out today, and so we're going to use that President Richard radio that I inadvertently bought and turned into a permanent 10-metre set. So we've got that on. So not using the generator. So we're just going to be there. What we have installed in here, because I still haven't finished with this, we did install that MFJ battery booster, and then we've got the remote monitoring thing there, and the battery is freshly charged, so that is not going to be needing to do anything at the moment. So there we're on the President Richard. Then in the cab, because we've not put one in the back yet, we've got a Maxon PM100, so we've got that on our repeater. The wires to the left are for the CB radio, which we haven't put in yet. We're going to take the one out of the test car, and we're going to put that new 78 Pro in the test car. So we'll get underway in a bit. I haven't brought a watch with me. Don't think we're going to need the air conditioning on today, or the microwave. I did bring a couple of cans of pop, and that's where we're going. So somebody who's thinking about becoming a radio amateur, Andy, may well join us. He does some odd jobs around the place, and there goes the repeater right now. So we'll pause the camera and wait for whatever to happen.
Meters high, it's not in a straight line, it's got 40 watts pumping into it, and it's horizontal. So, and you're running vertical, I suspect, so the fact that you can hear me at all, but this is working better than me up on the high dike. So we'll see who can actually hear me. So next is 2E0FKC, this is G6UOH.
G6UH, yeah, I'm receiving you loud and clear, and you're a good 9 plus 30. I'll keep it short as well. I'm running 20 watts currently from a TYT quad band into a quad band aerial on a roof mount, and that's a HH9000 the aerial, I think. I would have chosen a better aerial, but I couldn't get my other one to work. So with that, we'll go round now to Richard, G0OJF from 2E0FKC.
Roger on that, Richard, G0OJF. Should I say mobile? Anyway, we're in the van, and we're up at Londonthorpe, and I'm not actually that far from 2E0FKC, and I'm doing 40 watts, and we'll just keep it short and sweet. We're using a Citizens Band type aerial through an antenna matcher, so it's one of those Amtron 99 type things, and we've got one of those drive-on mast plates, and then there's 3 mast sections and the antenna, and I'm parked right opposite the commercial two-way radio tower at Londonthorpe. G0OJF, and we think we're over to M7RSG.
G0OJF, G0OJF, M7RSG. I think you've just passed it to me. I can just about hear you and just about hear Stuart, but it's not very good, and I think the issue is my end. The issue is my end, Yeah, M7RSG from M0STM. Okay, Russ, no worries. I guess you couldn't hear Ian either. Okay, well I'm running 51 watts, and the antenna is a half wave on 10 metres, so 5 metre bit of wire, 49 to 1 on and then about 5 metres of alley pole. Ian, you're a cracking signal considering you're horizontal.
So we'll leave it at that point, and we'll come back to it later. It's been a good idea. And G6UOH, you are doing S7 with me. So yes, you know, considering where you are at Gonnerby Hill Foot, I can visualise exactly where the shop is, and therefore across the road. So yeah, it's a cracking signal, and everybody's really nice audio. And yeah, Andy, he's and now Russ is on 10 watts, isn't he? But you know, he must have that. You know, if he's got this S4, S5 noise floor, that's where the problem is, isn't it? You know, that's it. So it's been great coming on. It was worthwhile, and we've done 29 megs, and I'm up here at Londonthorpe, as I say, with the van. So I'll go over to Russ if he's receiving M7RSG RC73s G0OJF.
M7RSG returning, yes, I got most of that, Richard. Something about the M4, M5 corridor, I think. But that's about all I got. I'm hoping Richard can still hear me. What I will do, Stuart can still hear me. What I will do, I'll pass it back to Andy. And then, Andy, if you can do the honours, 20YNT M7RSG. Yeah, 20Y22. Yeah, thanks for that, Ross. Yeah, Richard's getting you fine, Ross, absolutely fine. And I think Stuart is as well. We'll find out on GR in a bit. So yeah, I'll just do a quick one, and I'll say 7.3s on here for now, chaps. I'm running 20 watts, by the way, just for info. Getting you about the best, Richard, OJF, absolutely fine. FKC, I'm getting you Richard, the other Richard, but not quite as well. Stuart, really struggling with you, mate, I'm sorry. It's just how it is, isn't it? So with that, I think you're getting me fine, Stuart, you said. So I shall pass it round to you, and we'll catch you on GR very shortly from 20YNT, listening briefly then QSY. Yeah, 20YNT M0SDM. Andy, if you can hear me, just tell Russ I can hear him, but we'll tell him on GR.
Yeah.
Was another station calling in then from M0SDM? Yeah, I got Andy, if you can hear me, then I lost you after that, Stuart. Sorry, go again. Yeah, so yeah, I think, is another station calling in?
Right, well, we'll finish off then. It's just a bit of fun, see who can get who. There's Mr. Chippie in his Almera instead of our electric car. I wonder what he's doing. I was going to bring the other camcorder, but I couldn't find it. They get too small, don't they? So we'll pack away our ridiculous aerial, and we'll catch you with a repair video. Thanks for watching.